everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Tuesday, September 24th, 2019. The time is 3:30 a.m. GMT. Today we will be looking at the chart of the CHK. This is stock Chesapeake Energy. It's a short-term chart here. We can see from this peak at 2.17. This is the time. This gap here is when from last week, when there was a news about the Saudi Arabia's oil attack, right? Oil refinery attack. So we got a gap up in oil as well as in this stock, but since then it has completely been reversed, and in fact it breaks lower than the initial gap right here. Now we can see the decline here is looking impulsive. All right, we got 1, 2, 3 with extension here, separation, very well defined 5 ways down. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 then another 5 ways down here. All right, to finish a 5 waves from this peak. So since we do see a 5 waves from this peak right here with a divergence, as you can see right here, we got a divergence here, right? So that means that the bounce, if we see any rally in the stock, is going to likely fail below 2.17 for the downside. All right, because of the 5 waves down from this peak right here. So that's a pretty simple kind of analysis here, right? 5 waves, a textbook 5 waves from this peak. So it should be followed by another leg lower in wave 3 or wave C at least, right? It's either this could be a wave A or wave B, and or 1 or 2 with another leg lower to the downside. Now, looking at the larger degree, okay, so this is the larger degree, this is the 4-hour, and technically you have to break below this low here, okay, to confirm that we are really going to extend lower, right? And that's why you see the arrow is still black, because we have not broken below the previous low here. Now over here, it remains to be seen whether or not we will break below 1.20 whatever this low is on August 7, right? It remains to be seen whether we're going to break below 1.26 or not. But what we can conclude here is, because this one shorter cycle looks like a 5 waves, therefore our conclusion is we should get at least another leg lower, right? So let's say let's say we bounce now in the next 24 hours, then we can conclude, since this is a 5 waves, shorter cycle likely can hold below here, right? And then at least extend lower one more time. Now whether the extension lower is going to break this or not, that remains to be seen, right? That's another kind of issue. But at least, again, because of the 5 ways down, we should be looking for at least another leg lower, maybe just retesting this, or maybe breaking below it. Only time can tell. But another leg lower is likely expected as far as the rally fails below 2.17. Now what if it breaks above this 2.15 or 2.17? Then that means, if it does break above it, okay, then that means this thing here will be counted as a flat. A, B, C, all right, expanded flat A, B, C with the 5 ways in C, and then go higher. So the only way that this does not extend lower any longer and then starts to extend higher and break above here, for example, is if we are doing a flat. But otherwise, if you go with the trend, you would keep pushing it on the downside, because the trend has been to the downside, right? The trend has been on the downside. So especially trend is to the downside, we got a 5 ways down. So at least again expecting one more leg to the downside, and rally therefore should fail in the sequence of 3, 7, 11 swing. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, you can like and subscribe our channel, as well as try our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video below. And thank you very much, and see you guys again next time.